Okay, so welcome back. This is Paul Langham again from Exact Trading. We're now going to look at the euro. So it's the same type of chart. This is a range bar chart. You can see immediately we get these nice smooth runs. And just to repeat, with a range bar, a new bar is painted when 20 pips has actually been traded in the previous bar. That bar then paints, and then you start to paint a new bar. And so on and so forth going forward, and they are actual prices are traded at the price shown on the chart. Again, so just to give you an idea of what we can expect, and in fact it's quite an interesting period, this one, 5th of June to around about the 5th of August. Price been going sideways, so conceptually quite difficult to make money in this market, in fact. And you can see there's a number of trades here. Obviously we don't take these ones, as I explained in the previous video. There is only a move when we have the two bars next to each other with 2 arrows, so this isn't a trade. I think there's one or two more of those further along the line, not too many, but again, get into a trade very, very quickly at the low, and we've got plenty of opportunity to get out, and we actually can come out right at the top on this one here, which is good. No trade. This one actually will be just a slight losing trade, but nothing in comparison with what we've got there. This one again, very, very nice winning trade, and we'll be getting out right down at the bottom there. So again, just giving a little bit back where we have to give a little bit back. This one, if we get taken in there, which I think we do, give a little bit back to there. This one here, no trade. This one here possibly giving a little bit back there, this one being a winning trade. So I just wanted to point out that the price action is almost the same. Now the first question will be, do you have to run this on a 20 pip range chart? There is no necessity to do that. This indicator will run on the range bar chart that you set up, whatever you want. I would not recommend anything less than about 7 or 8 pips, however, because you do start getting into the realms of costs eating into perhaps 10-15% of your overall potential profit per bar, and that is a little bit step too far. I like 15 to 20 pips quite a lot. I've been experimenting with this for quite some time. The way it works is, as I said, you do give a little bit back, something like this. Then you will get a run. You'll get a winner here. You'll get some type of break-even thing here. Then you'll get a run here. This is just a process of. This is a type of process where you just stick at it, and over the long run you will make money. This one is a very, very nice trade up to here. We'll get a couple of trades in there, and we'll probably got. Can see at least one in there. This one won't be in because obviously that's I should have explained this again. This is part of the rules that I can give away on this presentation, that we will only ever take a trade. So firstly we need 2, and then within the next 3 bars I need to break that high to go higher. So this is actually part of the buy high sell higher initiative that I'm rolling out, and that is the point. So this is something which buys high and looks to sell on extreme strength, or obviously it stops out if that extreme strength doesn't come, but it is part of the buy high sell higher. And what is nice about it, which has taken quite some time to achieve anyway, is it doesn't, it avoids all this type of thing. It looks like a fantastic breakout to the downside, and as we all know, more often than not, a lot of these things aren't. So we don't take a trade on there. Save some pips. Don't take a trade here. This one here, will we get taken in there? We probably will get taken in there, but it's very controlled, and we'll be out with not very much of a loss there. This one here also probably a very small loss, and then we got great run down here, down to run about here, and so on and so forth. So that is the number of trades. I don't quite know how many that is. It's probably 6 or 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5, 6, 7, 8. Probably about 8 or 9 quite nice trades there. Yeah, maybe 10 actually, quite nice trades there, with 4 or 5 where you give something back, maybe a little bit more, give something back, but the 10 that are winning will outstrip the losers by quite a long way. And this actually, if you take a look at the price action on 20 pip range bar, you could have actually brought this down to 15 and get some more trades, because we're only trading in between about 115. 115.60 to 117.60. It's about 200 pip range, and that's pretty good to be able to get that number of winning trades out of that particular session time period. Okay, that was it. We're going to move on to one of the other pairs. I'm going to close this video off. Hope you enjoyed that and can get an idea about how everything will work. So I'll speak to you on the next video.